Good morning, guys. I'm going to start this one out a little different this week as well. I did last week a little different too, just changing things up, but I'm going to walk around and kind of give you a tour of my house. This is what it looks like pretty much every morning, unfortunately. So today I'm sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. So this is what I would do almost every single morning. So I'm going to show you, this is the living room. Kinsley has her toys out. I do keep some of her toys in that drawer. We have some dishes from breakfast still in here, some toilet paper from Kinsley. And let's see. So in here, the table's actually cleaned off, which is not normal. And then Kinsley's in here getting into her Halloween candy, aren't you? What are you getting in there? Donuts? Oh, she's getting chocolate donuts. Did I say you could have chocolate donuts? I don't think I did. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so we have some cough syrup and dog treats, dishes that need to be washed. Those are clean. They just need to be put away. Why is it not focusing? There. So the kitchen's really not that bad either. It's usually worse. And then this is just crap. This is always like this. So I have my tea that I didn't finish last night, my tea me. In case you were wondering, I do still drink my tea me. I still do love it so much. I never share products with you guys that I don't truly love. I do still use my tea me. I just haven't mentioned it in a while. I'm trying this Zevia 0 calorie soda. Somebody recommended it. It is pretty good. It does have a little bit of an aftertaste, but it is pretty good actually. I was surprised. And I have a Red Bull, which I never drink these, but I needed the energy today, guys. It's bad. And then my husband's beer bottle from last night, and then some mail, just a bunch of junk. So let me take you and show you my bedroom. Okay, so my bedroom is usually the worst of it because it's kind of the catch-all, but I have clean laundry here that I need to put away. Dirty laundry that I need to fold, more clean laundry that needs to be put away. The bed needs to be made. I ordered some new hangers on Amazon for my closet, and I've been slowly but surely transferring over to these new ones. So I have that, and then I have more laundry to fold. So my bathroom's pretty clean. I'll probably just wipe down the counters in there. My card ran out of space, so sorry about that. But anyways, I probably just wipe down my counters in here and just straighten up. Give me your cup and I'll get you some more. Okay, so she wants some more to drink. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go hook her up with some water, and then I'm going to get started cleaning this mess.
Filled with if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, I just wanna lay your body down, hold you close until the end of time, even if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, my heart breaks.
Okay, I'm out of breath. I shouldn't have worn a sweatshirt to clean. I was crazy. But anyways, I am done in here. So this is what I would do pretty much every morning. I still have to put those clothes away, but it's more important to me to get the living space clean right now than it is to get those clothes put away. So I'm just going to leave them there for now. And I have this fan running, so you might hear that, but I have it on turbo. So I usually will leave this going in my bedroom for a few hours in the day, and then I'll move it to the living space and do it in there for a few hours. But I truly love this thing. It's awesome. I do have a coupon code if you guys are interested. It's in the description box. 20% off. Saves you a ton of money. It's a very heavy duty air purifier, but it is a really good one. So if you're going to spend the money on one, get a good one. But anyways, I'm done in here. Love vacuum lines. It won't stay this way for long, but I'm going to go ahead and move into the kitchen. And before I get started in the kitchen, I forgot, and so I went ahead and showed you this clip. I do usually start at least one load of laundry every day. So I'm doing Maddie's laundry here, and I just dump all of it in there. I do not sort the kids' clothes, and it works out fine.
Seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I'll hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers, drinking till my feet felt numb, just like Father did when I was young. I don't know how I could be so dumb. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned.
So here I'm changing my Scentsy, and a little hack I have for you is to use a cotton ball. I was too lazy to go get a cotton ball, so I was just using a paper towel. But if you use 1 or 2 cotton balls, it soaks up all the wet wax, and then you can replace it with a new wax cube. And I was using the Scentsy clothesline. It's one of my favorites. It smells really good, and I do recommend that one if you're looking for a new Scentsy scent.
Caught inside a state of mind where nothing is really making sense. That's why I've been left here on the ground. Sister, help me up, I've fallen down. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned its back on me, it would seem. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. You tonight, together we can go crazy.
I usually wash my big pots and pans by hand, but because I had some room in the dishwasher on this day, I went ahead and put them in there so that I didn't have to do it.
And everything is so hazy, it is just you and I. And everything is so, so call me out, baby.
So I get asked about that little birdie, and I got it at Walmart. I keep plinks in it, which are garbage disposal fresheners, and that's what I'm putting in there right now. I dropped it into the garbage disposal, and I'm letting it do its thing.
So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy.
So I finally got our new table in. We've had the table for a while, but we've been waiting on the bar stools, but I finally got them in, and I'm using the Method Wood for Good on it. I use that for my coffee tables and for my kitchen table, and I love that stuff so much. I've used so many bottles of it. I actually need to buy a new one. It smells amazing, and I really like the way it cleans because it doesn't leave a residue or any sticky film or anything like that. It just cleans it really well, and it smells really nice. And it's not a polish, it's just a cleaner. They do have a polish as well, but I do prefer my Indust over that just because I like it. It just does a better job.
Now I got you and I want more. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more. I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling.
I get asked so often about vacuums and which one I recommend. My Dyson V8 Absolute is my favorite vacuum I've ever owned. I love it so much, and I recommend it if you have a lot of hard floors in your house. If you have mostly carpet flooring, I don't recommend it. It does great on carpet, it does great on area rugs, but I think you would need a more heavy-duty vacuum if you do have a lot of carpet. I use a different vacuum upstairs where it is 100% carpet. But if you have a lot of hardwoods and area rugs or area rugs, it works amazing. I love it so much, and I never have to worry about the battery dying. That's never happened to me. I can use it for so many different things. I can take it out and use it in my car. As you saw a minute ago, I used it to suck up crumbs from the couch. I just love it. It's awesome.
Help me back, tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark.
Okay, so the living room is picked up. I vacuumed, I dusted, just like the main areas that we touch a lot, tend to get fingerprints and stuff.
Yeah, and the doggies have to get baths.
Yeah, and I have to give the doggies baths now because they're muddy. It's officially winter time outside, and so it's the season of almost daily baths. But
Yeah, never moving.
anyways, I'm vacuumed in here. You can tell I'm out of breath. The sweatshirt was definitely a bad idea, but it's all clean. it's pretty much my morning routine, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I do this almost daily, and then more some. On Mondays I do a lot more of my deep cleaning and stuff. But this is just what I do on a daily morning. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Kinsley is agreeing with me. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, show them that.